So hello, how we doing? Hopefully everybody's had fun. Seems like my videos aren't getting too many viewers lately because, well, I haven't been putting any up. It's been really windy and it's been not so good weather, so I've been kind of holding off on that. I did do the fish tank stand build video, but that didn't do as well as I hoped. So we're going to go for a walk in the hills that way. As soon as we get past all this traffic, we're going to get on the correct side of the road to walk that way. We're going to walk against traffic, not with it. See that so many times people walking with traffic and get run over because these four-wheelers, they'll look at you, see you going like this, and then they'll turn their head this way and the car goes with it. And they're talking over there crazy. There goes FedEx making noise. So we'll just go up the road here past Chewy and we'll go to the stoplight, make a left, and go up into the hills. I don't know, maybe we'll go find the bench or something. Or just go explore. But that's what we're going to do, just kind of walk up here in the hills and see what's going on in the world. But it's just going to be one of those days. I got my little point and shoot camera with me today for some photos if everybody quit making noise around here so I can actually talk. But I guess they don't care. It's a nice summer day. About 80 right now. And I gotta use the other hand for that. Okay, we're done. Yeah, it says it's 84 here, so it's probably at the airport, so it's probably about 80 out here. Temperatures do fluctuate just a little bit from the airport to here. And no, it is not climate change. Climate change isn't anything that's anything big. The climate does change, but it's not like it's going to kill us or kill the world. This planet will be here long after we're dead and gone. I guess Joe Biden and his group want to accelerate that. Everybody to be dead like tomorrow. There's Chewy. He thinks he's in a hurry. See? He thinks he's in a hurry. Waste of gas doing stuff like that. And tear the bike up. He's in a hurry. He should get up on the freeway and just go for it. Let the cops deal with him there. At least there was a way through the back of Chewy. You just walk through straight through to get into the hills. But they put it in the way. There used to be a dirt road right there by Chewy. You could walk up and get into the hills easily. So I'm going to go in this easy route down through the gully, the 2 miles to the gully or mile, whatever it is. Then we'll walk up and go to the hills. I was watching Joe Biden in that summit that he was just recently at. What did they call it? World War II or War Summit or something. Anyway, he went to sit down, hit the ground because he's old and doddering and forgot there's no chair there. They're abusing the poor man. Hey, look at the flowers are taking off. We'll see more of that getting up there. The weeds are going here pretty good. The yard company to put all that in is not taking care of it. It's a fire hazard for Chewy. Somebody has to call them and tell them to fix their Reno. They're even watering the weeds. Amazon's not much better, but you know how it goes. Yes, that's Amazon over there. The feminist capital of Nevada. It looks like there's some poppies growing up in there. All kinds of flowers. I'm not going to climb up there and look at them. I'm pretty sure when we get to the hills, they'll be fine. We'll find a bunch of them. I just can't wait to get away from all this traffic. Yeah. Should just stop recording right here. Chewy's in truck exit. They don't reuse. Put it in there so they can get trucks and trailers in and out, but they never use it. Wow, waste of money there. Let's take them in through the front entrance we walked past already. You see Amazon storing stuff out front because they think it's going to get busy, but you know, I've been watching them tow companies on the internet just for something to do, and they've got a leak. Wasting water, Chewy. But it seems like the most accidents, the most wrecks, the most truck wrecks they're picking up are blue trailers like those right over there. Amazon. So Amazon don't train their drivers very well. Not even them van drivers like this one going by. Hey, somebody lost a bicycle chain there. Like that one. They don't train their drivers very well. Those things are dangerous. You got to be careful of them. If they're in your neighborhood, keep your kids far away from them. Here in Reno, they had 2 incidences of kids being run over by Amazon vans. Hey, look at that, more water leaks. Right up there, look at that. I guess they're trying to water the weeds, but they're just putting water down the street. Sprinklers, some of the sprinklers are going. It looks like it's about time for Amazon to be taken off and leaving. It's about time they get out. 11 o'clock in the afternoon. There goes a gas fan. Yeah, like I say, the Amazon vans are the most dangerous things on the road. Hey, that sprinkler's even turned so it's going to water us. Hey, we got pressure down here. I guess that leak's not stopping them from everything. We got water. It's just going all the way around. Felt good, but it's cold water. They should have somebody come and walk and check their sprinkler system they didn't put in the ground. If it was in the ground, it'd have less chance of breaking or being sawed in half. Yeah, well. Yeah, but everything Joe Biden's been doing lately, well, since he got in office, is embarrassing to the United States. It makes us look weak. That's why we got the wars and all the conflicts over there. You know, he keeps saying that the U.S. is going to keep supporting Ukraine. Well, after the election, I doubt the U.S. is going to support Ukraine anymore. After all, Ukraine has basically put all their people into the meat grinder. They don't have nobody left. They have to recruit from other countries to get people to fight. The little war. And they're trying to take too much. They're trying to take back everything they lost instead of just take what they can keep. Nobody's living over there. No men to make babies. Nothing like that. Nothing good over there coming out of what Joe Biden's doing to them. Nothing at all. In Israel and all that Palestine and all that other war over there, that's been going on for hundreds and hundreds of thousands of years. Trump had it ceased and desist for a while, and old weak Joe Biden, he escalated it. Get the whole world into a war again, so that he could be president for life. It won't be very long, probably in about 6 months. President for life is coming to dead. Uh-oh. We got us a pedestrian. Walk it up. Somebody walking the wrong direction on the road. Wrong side. It's okay, just stay in the bike lane. We're going to see your face here in a minute. Oh, well, that was fun. More noisemakers. He had to have been doing about 80 right there. Yeah, I'm getting out of breath. I'm walking up this hill. It's okay. We got a lot more hills to get out of breath with too before we're done with this series. Okay, it's a person's driveway and they're saying do not enter. If you're delivering, you gotta enter. See what they're doing. Crazy. Look at all these buses going to try to run you over. It's insane. Guess they made their drop-offs and now they're going home. It's a lot of damn buses for this school out there. I think we've had about 20 of them go by us already. More Amazon trucks. Better run high now. Here comes an Amazon truck. He'll run you over. Oop, we got away from that. Flowers in bloom. That ought to be interesting. We'll take some photos once we get up into the hills. Probably not going to do 200 or 300, but maybe we'll use the the photography camera in video mode to do our shorts. That way I can release the shorts. Release the shorts easier. Get some better descriptions up with them. Uh-oh, here comes another dangerous truck. See it? Let's go this way. We're just going to go down this road and out to the trail. It's only been 15 minutes, huh? Well, for me it's been 15 minutes. I don't know how long I'm letting you watch. There's usually a lot of cars right there, all stripped. Somebody up in here stripping cars and putting them out there. I guess they moved from the hay yard down here. To dump their stolen or broken cars that they stripped. Buy them with no title and take all the parts they can off of them and set them out and let the city deal with them. Guess if we were selling parts, that would do pretty good. It says private road. Dogs at large are prohibited. Yeah, there's dogs all over the place. Gonna bark at us as we go by. There's one over there on that red porch. Yeah, see him? Here he comes. He's gonna bark at us. You can see him through the fence maybe. Another one over here. Getting everybody all excited because we're walking through. I need one of those trailers. Yeah, well, there goes a dog. All excited because we're walking through. Yeah, I see. Another one up there. Yeah, here we go. Well, we got out of the dog range. We'll follow this road up and see where it goes. Hey, there's cars back in there too. Some of those you wouldn't think they'd want to bring up there, but they do. Somebody's brought cars up this road. You can see the tracks on the ground. Bicycles, motorcycles. And my shoes eating into my heel. It's going to be a long day tomorrow. Healing that up. Not used to these shoes anymore. I guess we could go look at Peavine Pond today. It's just right over there where all those cars are at. Under those trees. It's not as green as I thought it was. Well, it is further up, but figured this field would be green. But it's not really green. Yeah, I was walking one of the social media sites I was watching where they had Kamala Harris on her knees. They took a picture of her with her mouth wide open. I guess that's how she got to where she's at. And it said, hard at work today, as the caption for that. So, somebody's saying she's doing some crazy things to keep her job. At her age, I doubt it. Rumor has it she's sleeping with Joe, just so when he wakes up, he knows where he's at. Because you watch him in the news, he doesn't know where he's at half the time. Somebody has to tell him. He noticed his wife is around more and more lately to keep him in line and going where he's supposed to be going. Now these weirdos that are pushing him around, and she hired everything she would have hired for college, which is a big reason why the United States is failing right now. All the LGBTQ weirdos, women in the White House, are destroying the country and trying to make Joe Biden look like he's more than a half-wit. They're not doing a very good job. Because he's kind of out of his mind, out of his gourd, out of something. I think Ben Shapiro said it best. We got President Houseplant. But I noticed Ben Shapiro's videos are supporting the President of the United States instead of talking bad about him. I guess the Israel conflict's got Ben Shapiro all conflicted about what he wants to say. And firing the women that he hired to get his brand recognized. So I guess he fired Candace Owens because they disagreed about his religion. That's pretty not good. If he can't practice his religion and let everybody else think their own way, then he's not very good at his religion at all. Probably not a very good person to begin with. Most people aren't. Most of them tell stories, and yes, every time I get out here, my nose is running, so it is now too. Well, that helped. But yeah, Ben Shapiro, he's just actually doesn't seem like he's really doing the kind of content he used to do. He's got himself fat and rich and happy and having problems at home. He married himself one of them women that have the girl power gene. So he's not happy at home. She's not actually a good woman. We shouldn't even be entertaining women like that, but you know, everybody does. It's just kind of the way the culture's gone. Well, the road we're going to is over there. It's going to go by the houses and up the hill, then it's going to split off and go up over there. I was kind of thinking about making my own trail through the brush. It's not the best thing to do, everybody watches the videos, they'll find my trail and go walk it too. Especially if I get famous again. Which is not really something I want to do, but if it happens, it happens. I could care less. There's a little road over there. I wonder if that goes anywhere. I wonder if that meets up. Let's go see what that road goes. We haven't been on that one yet. Let's go walk down the tracks like a hobo. I just need my stick over my shoulder with a change of clothes in it. Or food. I don't know what they'd put in those old photos. Yeah. Yeah, then, guys, we got to stop paying these women to do anything. Really do. It's getting ridiculous. Not that I'm going to pick any of them up, but I like to chat with them once in a while, or used to like to chat with them once in a while on the Facebook site. It's actually become a hookup site, but, you know, that's what the left does. It's what, you know, they do. They promote that kind of thing. Instead of actual, you know, marriage, just get your jollies and forget about it. But yeah, Facebook's a hookup site. If you go on there and chat with them, you'll find you chat with a number of women. There'll be about, if you chat with 10, there'll be at least 5 that want to get paid to come over, visit, go on a date. That's not the way to go. You got to quit paying them completely. Don't mess with them until you get what you want out of them. If you're smart, it's a ring and a commitment and a contract says if she divorces you, you both lose everything. Hey, there's a little animal trail right through there. I might walk that. So there might be one going that way too. I don't know. I got to go that way or that way or that way. It's all kinds of ways to go. So I'm going to get going this way some way. It's nice out here, so I'm not pushing the walk. I'm just kind of walking around and just taking it easy and watching the wind blow the grass around. It's hot, and I'm used to the heat, but not constantly. I get in and out of the vehicle all day long. So I'm kind of taking it easy and looking at all the trash and stuff people have left here. It's like they brought a truck up this road and dumped down here. It's like they even got partially stuck. Or stuck. Hey, there's my phone. I wonder what's going on now. It's 80 degrees. Come on. Huh. That's a good thing. Yeah, look at that. Water bottle's already waiting too. So which way do you think we should go? Put it in the comment section below. Because we got some green left in the the died off grass. Foxtails and all kinds of fun stuff. It's kind of pretty up that way. I think I want to get to that peak up there top of us, or that one, right up in that area. I think I want to get there today. The bench is over that way. It's not that far up there, but I want to kind of stay away from people. But I think in the next video, our goal is going to be to get to that band of trees right there on the road. So we're just going to go ahead and go over here, and I'm going to walk up the road a little bit. So I already walked this once. I changed my mind. So I thought I saw a road. I thought it was going that way, but it's just this road we're on. We could go back, follow the tracks all the way over to the entrance to the recreational center and go through that neighborhood up there and get to here down here too with cars. But yeah, it's going to be one of those days. We got wind head on. It feels pretty good. Then, hey, somebody dropped a radio. I wonder if it's any good. Yeah, it looks like it's in good shape.
Power on. 16.
Huh. I guess that works. Somebody dropped a radio out here. Well, we got prizes. I'll have to get some more of those. Put that on me. Somebody did that out walking. It was left on channel 16. How about that? I'll put that in my bag and take it home, see what else is going on. Probably some kid dropped it out here. But it ain't there no more. Looks like it's been out there for a while. Probably had a microphone on it. Huh. Had a little. It won't let go of my pocket. There it is. Yeah. Not a bad little radio to find out here in the middle of nowhere. Looks like somebody's abused it. I'll throw that in my bag. I don't know where it came from, but there it is. Find it on the side of the road. We found treasures, and it works too. I don't know how to charge it yet, but oh, there it is. It's a USB charge. I got plenty of those. Oh, let's walk down this hill, see what's going on. See if this radio will work with any of the others. Those are not really, actually pretty lightweight. The way it locked onto my pocket, I can't see how somebody would lose that sucker pretty easily, that easily, unless they had it attached to their bag. I guess we're going this way after all. I didn't even think about it. I was just talking and walking. We'll get to the top of this little ditch, I guess you want to call it. Runoff ditch. And I'll end this video and we'll start another one of these stupid videos. Put this little radio in my bag. And we'll see what happens. Well, it's a big climb coming out of this ditch. Getting to be out of breath already. And I forgot to take my vitamins this morning. Oh well. There's the back gate of Chewy right there. There's that house. I don't know, we'll have to see if there's a way through over there. Google Maps or Onyx or one of the hiking trail map systems. Looks like a good spot to set up to in the video at. Yeah, we're going to turn here, I think. Water break time too while we're doing this. Oh, that's a good spot. So anyway, I don't know if you can see me that well or not, but we're going to call this the end of the video, and then we're going to walk up around that way a little later, and we'll see what happens. Here's that little radio that I found. These things are cheap and all over the place. Well, probably not cheap, but all over the place. UHF. I don't know how to change the channel on it, but I'll figure it out. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll have a good one, and we'll see you with the next video.